Hello, YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. Had someone ask me in my comment section, will your adjustable SWR half-inch conduit J-pole kit work with half-inch copper pipe? And I said, well, it should, but I don't have a piece of copper pipe here. You might have to sand some of the parts down. Well, after I made that comment, I started to think, I thought I saw some copper pipe in my scrap pile. Let me go out there and check. And lo and behold, I found some old half-inch copper pipe. So I thought, well, I better make sure that this is not some weird, whatever, half-inch pipe size. So I ran to town, went to the hardware store, and double-checked. And the copper pipe I have here, which is type L, half inch, is the same that they still sell nowadays. And I don't know if it says that, but yeah. So I'm gonna have to answer that person's questions. No, the conduit kit will not fit copper pipe. I'm gonna have to resize the parts. Not a big deal. The copper pipe is much smaller than the conduit. I can almost stick that inside there. So everything's way too big. So I'm going to resize it. So I'll have a kit. I'm going to be offering a kit for half-inch conduit pipe and a kit for half-inch copper pipe. You just select that, what version of pipe you're going to be using, and that's the kit you will get. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I did find enough copper pipe here, I think so, enough to build another J-pole out of copper. And if I have enough, I may do that also, so you may see a video on that. But nevertheless, I am offering copper J-pole adjustable SWR kits. They will work for either GMRS, ham, or business band frequencies. So if you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day.